I would love to start this vlog off in the light, but unfortunately this is Rovaniemi and we don't get much of that here. So it is 8 AM in the morning, pitch black, won't probably get light until just before 10, unfortunately. Is that in focus? My bus is at 9:30, so I'll start getting light when I'm on the bus. I'm getting on a bus here though at 8:05 to get me into the town of Rovaniemi. I live just outside at the moment for winter. So that'll get me into the town of Rovaniemi, where I'll then go to a bus station and get another bus for an hour and 20 minutes to Ranua, south of Rovaniemi, which has a zoo, an Arctic zoo with Arctic animals, so polar bears, owls, Arctic foxes, stuff like that, which is quite cool. I was invited to go there today by one of the other staff members at Santa Park. I wanted to go there before the end of the season, so why not? We actually apparently get free entry, but we have to pay for the bus, which is 18 euros more or less each way. 18 euros there, 16 euros back, I think it was. So that's not cheap, but obviously, like I said, I wanted to do it before the end of the season, so here we are. Don't know how many talking clips I'm going to get on this vlog, because obviously I'm with other people and I don't really like to do so much chat around them, but hopefully I get some really good B-roll. Obviously photos of the animals. I've brought my zoom lens, my 70-30. I'm going to try and get as many photos of the animals as possible on that animal photography with over in a zoo. Try not to get too much of a cage in the photos, and obviously I'll show you those photos as well. It's a bit more like a photo vlog like I do with my street photography vlogs. So yeah, looking forward to it. Let's hope this bus comes soon because I'm already getting cold. It's only -10 in fact. I'll tell you something. The past couple of days it's been really mild here. It's been in fact it's been positive temperatures. It's been 1 and 2 degrees. Back home in England, in Exeter where I'm from, it has been -1 and -2 degrees. It's literally been colder back home than it has been here for the past couple of days. And here, when it gets to like 1 or 2 degrees, the snow on the trees starts to melt. Not all of it, obviously you can see there's still some. But you'll be walking through the forest and you'll just have snowballs dropping out from the trees above your head, which is really annoying, and it's also quite depressing when you're seeing all this beautiful winter wonderland just melt in front of your eyes. But there's some snow forecasted later this week. It's Thursday, I think it's forecasted tomorrow and Saturday. So hopefully we can recover the snow on the trees really quick. Temperatures have dropped again, it's back down to -10, so yeah, maybe a bit less snow on the trees for today in Ranua. Regardless, seeing the animals should be really fun. So yeah, just wait for the bus to get here, and I'll see you in a couple of hours once I'm at Ranua. So we've arrived here at Ranua Zoo. Well, the video is really blue for some reason. And they have this big tower up behind me, which is really photogenic. I can't wait to take some photos of that. And inside there is a chocolate shop, so I'm going to go in there in a moment and show you some B-roll of that, show you what's in there. It's for a brand called Fazer. Fazer is the Portuguese word, I don't know that meaning to do. But F-A-Z-E-R, as you can see, it says up there. I don't know what it means, I don't know how to say it. Fazer. But it's a chocolate brand which they have here in Finland. I don't know if it's actually Finnish or if it's from elsewhere, but I've seen it everywhere here in Finland. And then in a minute we'll go over there through the entrance into the zoo and start exploring that. just gone midday and this is the highest the sun is going to get, just above the horizon, and it looks like sunrise or sunset. It's really, really pretty. But to think this is the highest the sun gets in the day, it's kind of mad. Look at the winter wonderland looking set we've got here with all the snow in the trees. Trying to run away from us, but he can't find a way which leads away. Oh! Just seen some of the owls here at Ranua, which I got some photos of. I'm sure you'll be about to see them or have just seen them using the 70-30 lens, which I never really use. Sorry, 70-300 lens, which I never really use, but it's actually very good. I should use it more. I mean, it's a cheap one. I'd love to get a more expensive one, but just shooting with a different focal length to what I'm used to is so fun and enjoyable. Yeah, got some really good shots on this so far. I can edit stuff out, so I'll record everything and edit out.
Yeah, okay, you can edit that.
It is now -20. Well, I think my hair and eyelashes are starting to freeze a bit. Yeah, that is all for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed watching me go to the zoo. It was actually really fun, one of my best days yet in Lapland. Yeah, I really enjoyed seeing the polar bear. Shame that we didn't get to see the brown bear, but seeing the polar bear was incredible, and the wolves. And even just being there, taking photos in the snow was really fun. Hope you enjoyed watching the video and like the photos which I took. Hope you enjoyed seeing how I go about taking them. Yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications so you get notified next time I upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.